cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? Hey there, baby, don't you think maybe the pandemic's made chefs of you and me? We cook bibimbap and peanut pad thai. There's halloumi we've been waiting to fry. Blue cheese scones and ratatouille. Thank God for online groceries. So hey, good looking, what you got a cookin'? Your muffins sure smell heavenly to me. Hey there, baby, don't you think maybe the pandemic's made chefs of you and me? We do banana pancakes and bubble and squeak, spinach gnocchi with tatters and neeps, Raita roquefort and aloo gobi. I sure love the way you make kimchi. So hey, good looking, what you got a cookin'? How's about cooking something up with me? Hey there, baby, don't you think maybe the pandemic's made chefs of you and me? Za'atar pizza is really no toil. Battered haddock with chips dripping oil. Curries and sauces are on a slow boil. Dessert is maple pears on foil. So hey, good looking, what you got a cookin'? How's about cooking something up with? How's about cooking something up? Do you want to start some sourdough with me?